everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. Today, the aviation industry is flying more people to more destinations than ever before. About 100,000 flights take off and land every day all over the globe. The safety of aircraft in the skies and security of ground traffic at airports is the key component of the flying business. In today's edition, let's look into the intricacies of airport ground operations and all the measures put in place to synchronize aircraft movement for maximum safety. Air traffic controllers usually manage multiple aircraft at the same time and must make quick decisions to ensure the safety of the aircraft. The primary task of air traffic controllers worldwide is to prevent accidents as they organize and expedite the flow of air traffic. They give precise directions and other support for pilots to taxi, land, or to take off. Without these directions, the airport environment will be chaotic and dangerous for both workers and other airplanes alike. The high-energy exhaust from a jet engine, particularly during takeoff and taxiing, known as jet blast, is extremely dangerous. It can affect stationary airplanes and personnel as far as 200 feet away, or even create other kinds of havoc within its vicinity. The design of an airport movement area takes into account the impact of jet blast. The airport taxiways and parking bays are also designed to provide enough space for aircraft to maneuver safely, because even at low power, a gust of air from an engine can cause damage. When the aircraft pushes back from its gate position and begins taxiing, the ground controller plays a pivotal role in directing the aircraft as well. The engines start up, and the pilot awaits the clear signal by the pushback driver and a taxi clearance with the ground or apron controller. Once the clearance is received, the parking brake is released to taxi along the assigned lane. With 30 knots being the maximum taxi speed, it takes a few minutes for the aircraft to safely reach its holding position on the runway. Once it reaches the holding point on the runway, the air traffic control takes over the lineup protocol, which begins after the holding point and ends once the airplane's fuselage is in line with the runway center line. However, different airports may have slightly customized lineup protocols,